The purpose of this guide is to just quickly guide you through how to use Moodle and to make the most of it. So first of all, you click on this link here. That will then take you to this page. In order to log in, you will need your college email, which for students is your student number, and then at stu.tmc.ac.uk. So that's your email, your college email. Your password, unless you've changed it, will be your date of birth. So in this example, this is the 21st of April 1979. So it's the 8-digit date of birth. So for most of yous, as I'm recording this, if not all of yous, it'll be 19 and then 70s or 80s or 90s, something like that. So you to log on to here, so you click log in. It's a very big web page, sometimes it can take a while. Right, so when you log in, you'll see a list of courses. So if you're on the Nursing and Allied Health Professions, you'll see this. For distance learning, you'll see that and that. Don't worry about this is because I'm on teacher mode. Now let's show you how to, let's start off with this. This is the induction site. So you will click on it. I'm just going to change roles so you can see exactly how it works from the point of view of a student, because I have a slightly different view. So learner, I should change the view. So this is the induction section, so that's got our contact details. So the first part you're on, here we've got your course handbook. So if you click there, these are online books, and you can choose a variety of chapters here, and it tells you about the course as a whole. So you can go back and you'll find a variety of tiles, as we call them. So if we click on the UCAS tile, that will take you, if you scroll down, so it shows you how to proceed with your UCAS application and what UCAS is. So that's that. If we go back, you'll see the tile for your 2 ungraded units, which is using research skills and communication presentation skills. Now for these 2 units, you actually have to complete a piece of work, and it explains, if you scroll down, what you have to do. So you've got your booklet there. So we've got a research proposal that you've got to submit. So if you click on that, for instance, it tells you when it's got to be submitted, and you can just click add submission, and if you like, you can put a file in here. So the easiest way to do it with a file is just drag there, and it's downloaded it. You can see that there. So I'm not saved that yet, that's just an example. So you'll also find the same information throughout. Now if we return to the dashboard, here we go. So if you're on distance learning, your main units, i.e. the academic ones, you'll find here. So you click on there, and if we scroll down, you'll see, let's come out a bit. You'll see these tiles, that's what we call them, and that's got all your units. So, and the sociology tutor, so if you're with me first or at any point, if you scroll down, here's all the sociology units. So that's just some, if we click there, that's just some general info. Okay, so there's a Harvard referencing guide. So I close that. Scroll down again. Now, these are the academic units, so they're in order. So first it's sociological theory, sociology of the family, race, changing beliefs, poverty, and feminism in the household. So, in each one, you'll find the handbook. So you can click on that, this is a Word document, and open the file or save the file, whatever's good for you. So you've got a Word document there. Here we go. So you see you've got a Word document with all the information you need, or lots of the information you need to complete your assignment. Just close that. Okay, you'll also find videos. So for instance, if we click here, just to allow and remember, you can see the video here, so you would just play that video. Just click play. And it'll take you through the video like that. Right. You'll also, if you see there's a assignment brief. That gives you your assignment. That's the thing that you hand in. All the academic units are handed in via Turnitin, which I've explained in the original email I sent to you. So you'll notice that you cannot download that until you've basically looked at the booklets. In the past, I've had questions from people regarding the assignment, and they've not even read any of the materials. So you can also, for the first few units, this is another video of me explaining how to go about the assignment. It's not the most interesting in the world, and there's all these things. All you have to do, and you'll get used to it as you go through, that's obviously a Word document, and this, where you've got the little sort of planet, that's a web page, and it'll take you to the web page. It's just an example there. So we're just going back, here we go. So let's just have a quick look at another one. So sociology of the family. Once again, family handbook you can download. There is the presentations, which are extra resources, and they offer summaries of what's found in the handbook, you know, highlighting the important points. And there are, once again, videos, so there it's an explanation of how to go about the assignment. Demographic changes, so these are online booklets, as I showed you previously. So if you can see, these are your chapters, the table of contents, and you can just click on them. You know, it's cohabitation. Right, so let's go back. So just return. Once again, it takes a while. I'm recording this from home. I'll not mention my internet provider, but I'll be changing them next week. So there we go, back to the family. So sometimes there's films. So I'll update those, don't worry about where it says sorry. But there'll be videos there, all you have to do is click and play. So going back. So these are just some examples of how to use Moodle. The best way of learning how to use Moodle is to use Moodle. So I've shown you in this short video how to log on. I've shown you how to navigate through Moodle. So I've shown you the induction area of Moodle and the main academic area. So you just basically, whatever unit you're doing, you just click on the tile. So when you get round to biology, they're all there. Same with psychology, they're all there. And you just click on the tile and all the materials for that unit are there. When you've read the materials, and I can see who's read things, then by all means get back to me with questions, or indeed just send me a question at any time. That's no problem at all. So hopefully this has been a bit of help. What we'd do now is log into Moodle, as I've shown you at the start of this video, and just have a look round it, learn to navigate through it. If for any reason you can't, and you're having trouble logging into Moodle, then you should phone these guys. These are the IT department at the college, and it's on that number there. So 0161 674 333. In terms of if you can't log on, I don't have the capability, as in I don't have the access to reset passwords and stuff. That's the IT guys that do that. But hopefully that won't occur. So I hope that's been helpful, and it's just a quick guide to take you through Moodle. Okay, thanks.